Hello, welcome. A quick one on this differential equation. If y equals to 2 into bracket x squared plus 3x all raised to the power 3, you have to find the dy dx. So we are having y equals to 2x squared 3x all to the power 3. I know we can treat this as a function of function, but I'm going to go for the shortcut approach. So know that if you are having y equals to, let's say, b a plus x raised to the power n as a function of function, your dy dx become, at the normal differentiation, the power comes to multiply. So let the power come as what? B multiplying the power, then is multiplying this as what? A plus x, we subtract 1 from this power, right? The normal differentiation, n minus 1, times the differentiation of the terms in the bracket, which is a plus what? X. This is the shortest approach we can get from here. So it means that if I want to do this, I can have my dy dx equals to, this is coming to multiply this. So 6. What is it multiplying? This must be reduced, right? So if you reduce this, you'll be left with x squared 3x squared times the differentiation of the term in the bracket. You enter the bracket, you differentiate 2x, you differentiate 3. So your result can be this, or we attach this to this and say that dy dx is equal to 6, 2x plus 3, then we multiply x squared plus what? 3x all squared. So this can be your answer. It can also be left in this form, since multiplication is what? Commutative. This can also be accepted. Alright, I guess you learn a thing or two. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.